Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make a traditional amla pickle. Kacha amla pickle today I am going to make. I will not boil the amlas and fry them. To make amla pickle, we have to choose the very good quality of amlas. We have to take the fully ripe amlas like this. Don't take green amlas, half ripe green amlas. If we take half ripe amlas, our pickle will be somewhat bitter. So we have to take the amlas fully ripe, and like this they turned into somewhat cream yellow in color. Amla is one of the seasonal fruits that is very high in antioxidants and high in vitamin C. It is said to have a lot of health benefits when consumed in any form. We can make amla candies, amla pickles, amla tokku, amla juice and amla murabba. Niluva usirikaya pachadi is one of the popular pickle varieties in Andhra cuisines. To make amla pickle, I have taken 2 kg of ripe amlas. We have to wash them with 3 waters and we have to wipe them so that there should be no moisture in the amlas. And for 2 kgs of amlas, I have taken 2 dozen of lemons. I am going to add the juice of 2 dozen or more than 2 dozen. You can take more than 2 dozen of lemon juice to make amla pickle as per your choice. Here I am not adding the tamarind juice. We have to soak the tamarind and we have to cook it and we have to do more things. So I have avoiding to take tamarind to make this pickle. I have taken peeled garlic cloves of half cup, 3/4 cup, and half cup of unpeeled garlic cloves for the tadka. This is for the paste and this is for the tadka. And I have taken 1.5 cup of crystal salt and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds I am taking, and 1 tablespoon full of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoon full of turmeric powder, 1/4 cup of Kashmiri red chilli powder I am taking to make this pickle, and 3/4 cup of red chilli powder. Totally I am taking 200 grams of red chilli powder. You can add more or less as per your wish. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of mustard seeds. I am going to make a powder of it. So first of all we have to make a tadka, because our oil should cool down when we mix the oil into a pickle. I have kept the oil for boiling. We have to make some incisions on each amla with the help of a fork like this, so that all the spices and salt mixture may goes inside them and they taste yummy. We have to repeat this with all the amlas. Now our oil is boiling out. To this we have to add 1 teaspoonful of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds pop up. See, some crackling sound of the mustard seeds is coming out. At this time we have to add the crushed garlic cloves to the tadka pan. Don't add the garlic cloves without crushing. If we add without crushing, they blast like crackers and we may get burns from them. See, our garlic is also turning into golden brown color. Now at this time we have to stop the flame of the gas, otherwise our tadka may get burnt and our pickle gets into a sour one. After turning off the flame, we have to add 1 teaspoonful of asafoetida to this tadka. Mix all of them well. Now we have to keep the oil aside for some time and let it cool. We should not add the hot oil to the pickle. If we add the hot oil to the pickle and if we boil the pickle, boil the amlas, if we fry the amlas in a oil, our pickle may not store for a longer time. We cannot preserve it for a longer time. It will be mashed into paste. Here I am going to make a raw usirikaya pachadi or kacha amla pickle. Now I have kept the pan for heating. To this we have to add 1 tablespoonful of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoonful of cumin seeds. We have to fry both of them until they turn into golden brown color. To this hot oil we have to add broken red chillies. Now our fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds are turned into dark golden brown color. At this stage we have to transfer them into a mixer grinder. To this we have to add mustard seeds and we have to make a fine paste of them. This is our finely grounded mustard powder. See, I have grounded it into a fine powder. Now keep it aside for some time. Now we have to add the garlic cloves and salt to the mixer grinder and grind them into a fine paste. This is our finely grounded garlic paste. See, it is very smooth. Keep it aside for some time. I have pricked all the amlas for more than 8 to 10 times so that all the spices and the salt may go into the pickle and it tastes yummy. See, I have pricked the amlas more than 10 times on all sides. To this we have to add mustard, fenugreek and cumin powder. This is garlic and salt mixture. We have to add the red chilli powder and Kashmiri red chilli powder. See the difference between the normal chilli powder and the Kashmiri red chilli powder. This Kashmiri red chilli powder gives very good eye-catching color to our amla pickle. Now we have to add the lemon juice to the amla pickle. See, this is 1 cup of lemon juice. See, this is 1 more cup of lemon juice. See, this is half a cup. So totally we have got 2.5 cup of lemon juice from 2 dozen of lemons. I have added total 2 dozen lemon juice to the amla pickle. Now we have to add the tadka to the lemon pickle. The tadka oil is cooled down. Now we have to add the entire oil to the amla pickle. Now we have to mix all of them well. See, I have mixed the amla pickle with the help of a dry ladle. Always use dry ladles while mixing the pickles. Don't use hands at this point because you may get garlic chilli burns. Store it in a glass or ceramic jars. Don't use metallic containers because amlas are rich in vitamin C, and we have already used the lemon juice also to make this amla pickle. Lemon juice contains ascorbic acid as well as citric acid, and it is also very rich in vitamin C. If we keep the acidic substances in a metallic containers, they may get rushed and the pickles may also get spoiled. Usirikaya pachadi or amla pickle will be ready to enjoy after 10 to 15 days because I have made the pickle with raw amlas. Neither I have fried nor boiled the amlas. Amlas are rich in vitamin C. When we heat vitamin C contained substances, vitamin C may get evaporated. To get the entire benefit of vitamin C from the amlas, don't cook or fry the amlas. This pickle gets its real taste only after 2 months. When the amlas soak up well in the spice mixture and flavors. 1 chunk of amla gives our daily value requirement of vitamin C. Though the pickle is good to keep at room temperature, I suggest refrigerating it as it helps to retain the flavors and color. Eat amla recipes and increase your immunity levels. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you. Keep in mind that our oil should float on the surface of the amlas and there should be enough salt so that we can preserve the pickles for 1 long year or more than 1 long year.